Hello there, everybody. Today I'm going to be discussing the remnants of Viola and then a not winter storm, but a widespread advisory criteria snowfall that is expected for this will change, but anyone in this area would need to pay attention to. And then after that, I discuss those two things. Then I will also discuss about March and what March will roughly look at. So additional snow accumulations, expect mainly additional accumulations of right around anywhere between 4 to 7 inches of snow. So some more yet to come. And then for the freezing rain, see here. As for freezing rain, I wouldn't say that much higher. Only about 2/10 of an inch at the most, which is still a lot. I mean, that is still dangerous. And now I'm gonna show you the second storm, the advisory criteria one. So I'll see here, shift to the snowfall accumulations. Here you can it's been trending lighter, at least as for Wisconsin and all lately, but then Michigan it's about the same. So widespread mainly maybe 2 to 4 inches right here. And then over here, there could be a widespread of 3 to 6 inches with some locally higher amounts possible. Wonder what the NAM says about it. No, no, it's updating. Go to 18C. So, NAM, it actually has it being a pretty, although brief, it would potentially be a pretty heavy burst of snow. Again, still snowing, but, oh, it's a lot heavier of this, so I'll say for now, expect mainly widespread advisory criteria snowfall, but if a NAM-like solution were to turn out, then I would be too surprised if a narrow band of winter storm warnings were to be issued. So that's gonna definitely be a event to keep an eye out on. Now I'm gonna show you the temperature. So here's right about now. And I really want you to focus right around the Central Pacific because that's what's really playing into the storms, and those storms determine the temperature. So you can see it spinning, and then meanwhile here you've got pretty cold temperatures down there, and then periodic heat waves here. Then again, like I mentioned earlier, depending on the system, it may get warm, then it just turns cold. Then you have a surge of warmth, and then cold. Then say it's about the same before yet another potentially powerful surge of warm air. I mean, we're talking potential 50s going up all the way into Wisconsin. This will change, but I mean, early March, we could be looking at a possibility of some 50s, but then cold. And then, however, though, as we get into March, though, you'll notice that slowly but surely, though, the brown of the cold starts lifting to the north. And then also, I mentioned the low pressure system off of here earlier. It also starts shifting to the north, which would suggest that this brain may be slow to warm initially, especially over the north, but then as we approach April, late March, maybe April, then that's when we could see things really start to warm up. So that's what it's looking like. Then wonder what's saying about severe potential. So yeah, again, depends on the storm, but I mean, what? Look at this. Like, I mean, that would produce thunderstorms, so I mean, that's interesting. All the way up into Wisconsin at some point. So yeah, the severe potential would mainly stick to south, although the most powerful storms that some of that instability could actually surge northward. So that's the video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe out there.